Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to report Form 1099-R on Form 1040. First, understand that Form 1099-R details distributions from pensions, annuities, and retirement plans. You'll need to identify the specific type of distribution you received, and then locate the corresponding lines on your Form 1040. This process ensures accurate reporting of your retirement income to the IRS, helping you avoid common errors and potential issues. Form 1099-R provides key information about your distributions. Box 1 shows the total gross amount you received. Box 2 indicates the portion of that amount considered taxable. Box 4 details any federal income tax already withheld by the payer. Finally, Box 7 contains distribution codes, which are essential for determining the taxability and nature of your distribution. When transferring information to your Form 1040, report the gross distribution from Box 1 of Form 1099-R on line 5A. The taxable amount from Box 2 goes on line 5B. Any federal income tax withheld, found in Box 4, should be entered on line 25B. Remember to attach copy B of your Form 1099-R to your tax return if federal income tax was withheld. Certain situations require special attention. Rollovers, where funds are moved between qualified retirement accounts, are generally not taxable if completed correctly within 60 days. However, early distributions before age 59 and 1/2 may be subject to an additional 10% penalty. Always refer to IRS Publication 575 for comprehensive guidance, and consider consulting a tax professional for complex scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.